My name is Brandon Ryan. I am studying Earth System Science here at Auburn University. Okay, I want this planet to be here for people that are after me, and I said, okay, I need to go into something that kind of is within that field.
Hi, I'm Sadamali and I'm from Sri Lanka, and in Auburn I'm studying PhD in Earth System Science, and I'm from the College of Forestry, Wildlife and Environment. Honestly, I love research. I think I love to disseminate what I know and what I discovered.
Earth System Science, it is a pretty broad concept in nature, and the reason why it is so broad is because we want to capture kind of the whole picture, so to speak. When we're talking about Earth System Science, we're talking about the Earth system, so we're talking about everything that goes around in the Earth. All these different aspects of our Earth and our society touch that one specific idea, that one specific theme.
We all work together. It's an interdisciplinary field. We interconnected every system together.
As a geographer by training, or an atmospheric scientist by training, right, I have a sort of piece of the puzzle to the solution. And when we're thinking about Earth System Science, right, there's a lot of other Earth System scientists that also have a piece of this puzzle. And when we have this degree and when we can come together with this sort of more interdisciplinary and holistic understanding, right, we start coming together, putting those puzzle pieces together, and we have this picture of a solution that we can actually implement.
Other than considering things apart, here we consider things as the interconnected systems to see interaction, how things vary over the time, how things change over the time.
Here it feels like everybody's here to better each other, and everybody wants to be a part of good projects and good progress and to make the university a better place, to make Alabama a better place.
Auburn helped me to build myself. So that's what I love Auburn.